Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video I will show you how to change your app recommendation settings in Windows 11. And now let's get started. To begin customizing where your apps come from in Windows 11, start by right-clicking on the Start button. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Once the Settings window is open, navigate to the Apps tab, which is usually located on the left-hand side of the screen. Within the Apps section, you will find an option labeled Advanced App Settings. Click on this to reveal your app recommendation preferences. Here, you will see an option that allows you to choose where your apps are sourced from. You can select options such as Anywhere, which means apps can be installed from any source. If you choose this option, Windows will still notify you if a comparable app is available in the Microsoft Store. Alternatively, you can select Anywhere but warn you that it is not from the Microsoft Store, which will allow installations from various sources but provide a warning if the app is not from the Microsoft Store. The most restrictive option is Microsoft Store only, which limits app installations exclusively to the Microsoft Store. Adjusting this setting will determine the flexibility and security of your app installations. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.